Quiet.
We are battery. Try shorting it out.
I should probably not stand in front of it, eh?
Yeah, well, you're chained.
It's in gear, but it
It's in
turns
gear.
over. Take it out of gear. That's crazy.
Got the hood there?
Yeah. That is nuts. Ready?
Try that.
Crazy.
What? You
Here,
guys.
do you have some gas?
So I told him.
get some.
I told
Get
him
some
we get
gas.
it running and rolling.
Don't tell him.
That hood there's a little.
Not supposed to start, but here we are.
That's good. Ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. There you go. I don't know if you choke it, if it's going to help. I doubt it. Put your hand over the top of the... You got it? Problem's right here, eh? Oh, that's clean.
Holy crap. I mean, there was water in there. Uncle Bill, if you watch this.
Such a salesman.
Yeah.
I might get a little shock here, but what the heck.
What the heck?
You're on camera, so that'll be good.
Yeah.
No spark.
No spark.
So turn the key, because I don't know if I'm shorting it out here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Is there a key in it?
There is, yeah.
Yeah.
Go nuts.
We'll turn the ignition on. Because I may be just activating the starter and not the... Okay. Got all the instruments. It's a lovely car. Okay, here we go. Put a bit more gas in, please. Oh, okay.
Go.
Come on.
No spark. This resistor could be with a couple cables. I could short this out, eh? Bypass all this stuff. I'll try it again. See if I got spark.
Nothing, eh?
No spark. It'll start with spark. It's got a good compression, eh?
Oh,
Yeah, it sounds like it.
One more foot. One more foot. One more foot.
And then it's on fire.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is the positive one.
This is the coil.
Well, we'll figure it out. Maybe not here, but... Yeah, no spark. Yeah, it could be a number of things. Let me just see if the distributor's turning. Probably it is.
I bet you it would be,
Yeah.
That's fine. Look how
Wow.
clean that
Yeah.
is.
Brand new still.
Okay, it's got to be place. There's no index on this thing. Oh, yeah, there is. Right.
That was another thing we found water inside, Uncle Bill.
Ah.
You can see it dripping out right there. There you go.
I got an idea. Okay. If the points are, I need a flat screwdriver. I'm just going to open up and close the points, see if it's creating a spark. If it's not, the points are probably rusted.
Because nobody's going to believe it.
You are
We got to do
kidding
it
me.
one more time.
Okay, first start in 30 years.
Second, maybe first.
First start in 30 years. The other one didn't, it sounded like it was going to go. Ready? Put a bit of gas in it. We just file the points.
Come on.
And
As soon as
price of
Uncle
gas
Tim
in
learns how to
welding's
use a
very
jerry
expensive.
can. There we are.
so we're first start in 30 years. You ready? We're gonna go. Listen to that. Smooth. That is one smooth motor. That's incredible.
Wow.
I don't believe it. Put her in gear and you can go.